could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
My face is going through some changes and I don't know what's wrong with my face. I'm really sad about it because I don't know. I've tried using so many products and none of them work. Like right now I apply this product never burns on me. I am still sick. Alright, today I want to go for a metallic olive green makeup look. I've never done this before. I don't know how it's gonna look, but I want my whole eye to be metallic olive green. I'm metallic all over my eyes, but just like in the center I have metallic. Somebody asked why I don't paint this nail. I can't paint it. I just can't. Personal reasons, but I can't. And actually do my brows off camera as always. But I will tell you guys the product that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use the LA Colors brow pencil. Also, you guys did say for me to do a makeup tutorial on Spanish. It's online. It's on my list. I'm practicing. I've been trying, and I'm gonna constantly keep practicing until I get everything right. I did see Daisy Marquez. I saw her tutorial in Spanish. It was kind of funny because I've never heard her speak a whole video in Spanish, and it was different, and I know that I'm gonna sound the same way, so I was just laughing of the fact that I'm gonna do something like that, and I'm probably gonna laugh when I'm editing the video. So, but you know, I'm a little nervous because I don't know how it's gonna look. And I set my eyes with the Tartelette in Bloom palette. I used Flower Child. And for today's eyeshadow palettes that I will be using for this tutorial, I'm going to be using this one, which is a metallic eyeshadow palette. This is from Colorina Makeup Studio, and you guys already know which color I'm leaning towards, the green one. And I'm also going to be using the JACLYN Here palette from MORPHE. I'm going to be using these colors. I'm going to be mixing in the metallic one with this one, and then I'm also going to be, for my transition, I'm going to go in with one of these colors, and I'm of course going to use brown shades. Okay. Me voy a maquillar por un video. Que me voy a maquillar por un video. Que me voy a maquillar para un video. Maquillándome. I don't like it. Alright, so I was gonna try another foundation, but didn't go as planned. I think I put too much blush. Yes, I did. I always go and put too much. I don't know why. I was talking with my boyfriend through FaceTime, so that's why I haven't talked. So sorry. But I went for an olive emerald green type of look. So just in case I can't do the outro before he calls me again, because he said he was gonna call me again. This is kind of how everything's turning out. I'm gonna go in now with my highlighter. I'm gonna use Champagne Pop, of course, with my MAC Fix Plus. This lashes bother me.